Alright, what is up guys? Boo Boo here with GMZ Garage. I'm here with Liz, my mother from GMZ Garage. You can follow their YouTube channel, the link is down in the description. And today we are making a beef soup. And this is how it looks. It's got ground beef, potatoes, corn, and parsley. Here's the stuff you're going to need. Items you're going to need is obviously ground beef, potatoes, and corn. It is 1 potato and 1 can of corn.
Like so. And this thing has a lot of grease, so you're going to drain it. Okay? You can add whatever you want on it. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic to your taste, whatever you want. Nobody's perfect. Chefs do whatever they want on their meals and then they give you their recipe. So literally, you can do anything and everything. Supposed to be. Remember, it's to your taste, and since I like parsley because it helps you lose weight. Actually, a fresh one, but this will do. Garlicky. A little bit of pepper. Remember, you work with what you have. The ingredients.
How much?
A teaspoon. That's enough. Yeah.
Hey boo boo, my main man boo boo. You know how we do. Boo boo. You wanna know what I say before I grub? Hey boo boo. White folk, children, and